Do this with your radiator, and your heating bills can drop by half. Use pliers to unscrew the thermostat. The valve pin can get stuck, so press it in a few times here. Put the thermostat back on and tighten it properly. A quick check and restart of the thermostats before the cold weather arrives. A simple step that can save you a lot of stress and money. 1 tablespoon is all you need, and you can forget about scraping your windshield in the morning. Cold mornings can be really unpleasant, and clearing ice off the glass often takes way too long. Instead of buying an expensive deicer, you can make your own. Pour 1 cup of alcohol into a tall container. It melts ice fast and boosts the whole mixture. Then add half a cup of white vinegar. Vinegar not only enhances the effect of the alcohol but also lowers the freezing point, helping the ice melt faster and preventing a new layer from forming. Add half a cup of boiled water to get the right consistency. Now add 1 tablespoon of a secret, very important ingredient. It forms a protective layer and slows down refreezing. Add a tablespoon of dish soap to help the mixture spread evenly. A few drops of essential oil will give it a pleasant scent, so it's effective and nice to use. Once mixed, pour everything into a spray bottle, close it and shake well. Spray it over the frosted windshield, and the ice will disappear within moments, leaving the glass perfectly clear. The secret ingredient is glycerin, thanks to which you can finally forget what morning scraping feels like. Thanks to this, I got rid of scratches on my car. Every driver knows how easy it is to get small scratches on the bodywork. Luckily, there's a simple way to remove them without expensive visits to the body shop. You only need 2 ingredients that you probably already have at home. Start by preparing a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The oil has lubricating and protective properties, creating a thin layer that smooths the surface of the paint. Next, add half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar is a natural cleaning agent that dissolves dirt and helps even out the paint's texture. Place the mixture in the microwave and heat for about a minute until the coconut oil completely melts. Your mixture is ready. Now grab a soft cloth, preferably microfiber, that won't scratch the paint. Soak the cloth in the mixture and gently rub it into the scratches on the car. With this method, small scratches will disappear for good, and your car will look beautiful again. Try this trick and enjoy a shiny bodywork without unnecessary costs. Don't throw away old newspapers. They're a winter lifesaver for your car. Scraping ice, unreliable deicers, and freezing hands are a daily struggle for many drivers. But there's a simple and cheap solution. Lay old newspapers over your windshield and secure them with the wipers. They act as a protective barrier, preventing frost and ice buildup. In the morning, just remove the papers and your windshield is clear. No scraping, no wasted time. Every morning, I take a thermos with me in the car, an absolute lifesaver in winter. This simple trick is not only effective, but also saves time and effort, especially on freezing mornings. All you need is a Ziploc bag, filled with very warm water and sealed tightly to prevent leaks. Instead of spending long minutes scraping ice off your windshield, which can be exhausting and even damage the glass, simply glide the warm water-filled bag over the frozen surface. The ice melts instantly, saving you from using uncomfortable scrapers or expensive chemical deicers. The best part? The bag works with precision. You can literally see the ice disappear upon contact with the warmth. Move it gently from top to bottom for an even melt across the entire windshield. Within minutes, your car windows are clear and ready for the road. This hack is a game changer for anyone who has little time in the morning and wants a quick, hassle-free solution. Have you tried it before? Spray your car window with this mixture, and it will defrost without scraping. This simple mix will save you time and frustration, and it costs just a few bucks. Cold mornings can be unpleasant, and scraping ice off your windows can take a while. Instead of buying expensive deicer, you can make your own. Most of the ingredients are already in your home. You'll never have to scrape windows before driving again. In a container, pour 30 milliliters of salicylic alcohol. It has properties that dissolve ice. Next, add 30 milliliters of vinegar. Then measure 15 milliliters of dishwashing liquid. It has surfactant properties that reduce surface tension, helping the mixture work better. Finally, pour in 400 milliliters of warm water. You can use lukewarm water, but hot water will speed up the ice melting process. Mix everything together, transfer it to a spray bottle, and screw on the lid. Let me know the lowest temperature in your city this year. Spray your windows with this deicer, and within seconds, you'll see the ice start to melt. The ingredients ensure the mixture won't freeze on your windows. No more scraper needed, just spray and leave it. This trick will save you time and won't hurt your wallet.
During winter, I always have a newspaper in my car. Might sound strange, but once you understand why, you might adopt the habit too. Old newspapers, it turns out, possess some remarkable qualities many people are unaware of. In the winter, our cars often accumulate moisture, especially from the melting snow on our shoes. If you don't want to invest in rubber mats, a simple folded newspaper under the floor mat works wonders. It absorbs the moisture effectively, and you can easily swap it out every few days. Not only does it address the moisture issue, but it also prevents the floor mat from slipping during drives. Simply place it under the car seat or above the trunk. Your windows won't fog up, even in winter. Foggy windows can be a nuisance. If your car has too much moisture, this trick will come in handy. Put it in a carafe or jar and stretch it over the opening. Prepare some dry, white rice. Pour it into the inside of a sock. Rice has brilliant properties as a natural water absorber. Additionally, it eliminates unpleasant odors. Tie the end of the sock with an elastic band. Place the prepared sock in the car. You can tuck it under the seats. If you're dealing with a foggy rear window, place it on the parcel shelf above the trunk. There's no airflow in that area, so the rice will effectively handle the condensation. Although this trick may seem simple, it really works. Replace the rice in the sock once a month. Are you having trouble with your car doors freezing? This trick will solve it in seconds. During winter, door seals can stiffen, stick, or even crack. The plastic parts can be damaged in sub-zero temperatures. That's why, in the early days of winter, it's essential to lubricate them. You can use regular cosmetic Vaseline for this task. Apply the product to your finger and lubricate the seals with it. This will make them firm and resistant to frost. Make sure to thoroughly apply the Vaseline to the seals on the doors as well. Do you have Vaseline at home? Did you know you can use it for car care? A simple potato can work wonders, especially in winter. Take a potato half and rub it on your car windows. The starch it leaves behind prevents water and snow from sticking, proving invaluable during intense precipitation. This trick ensures a clear view without streaks from rain, enhancing overall road safety. Take WD-40 and spray it on that car part, ideally before the coldest weather hits. This simple step can save you a lot of hassle. WD-40, with its multiple uses, proves valuable to keep in your car during winter. If you've dealt with frozen locks and freezing temperatures, you know regular deicers don't always cut it. That's why a preemptive spray of WD-40 on the lock can work wonders. It quickly fills the lock's internal components, safeguarding it from water and freezing. Taking just a few seconds, this task can spare you plenty of frustration on frosty winter mornings.